up, Mattia? What up, Cyprian? What up, y'all? How we doing this morning? What up, Vafi? No, I want to see this one. No, not that. I want a better number input. The coffee? Oh, we got the coffee. Don't you worry, I need the coffee. I stayed up way too late writing a RFC/tech plan for a new service at work. I'm like, I actually feel reasonably okay, but man, I didn't go to bed until 2:30 maybe, and then Bodhi woke me up at like 4:15 and had to go out, which is not unlike him, or which is unlike him, I should say. And cooking spaghetti with zucchini and meat right now. Hell yeah. That sounds real good. All right, come on, Nix. Please update. Yeah, there we go. Blur the screen quick. The tech plan that I just mentioned I was writing, Mattia, is going to be like the first greenfield full like end-to-end service in effect ever sell. I made next south with work with username and password. Nice. Yo, I need to get that freaking gritty goose. That's so good. All right, this is like taking forever. There must have been a chunky update. I want to see if this has an update here quick. All right, this hasn't got re-reviewed yet. The numbers for Never Throw. I don't know if you guys saw the tweet. Do we have a link in here? I want to do some improvements to the docs here. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm showing you. Get wrecked. Let's see here. Never Throw. We another developer at Vercel started using Never Throw on like our actual dashboard that you guys would use when you log in. That is probably us right there. Motherfucker in the room, yeah, you know it's me. And yoink. Dude, look at, do you guys see what's happening over here? This is like 3 gigs of an update. What? Okay, we're just gonna like open up another terminal while that's doing its thing. And we're gonna just start building. All right, so I'm trying to remember where we left off yesterday. Let me update the today command while I remember. Command update, no, command today. Update today. Theming. Creating a new theme and styles. I think it's the first time in my life I've got that command on the first try. She better be a fan. I don't know why this is in here. Whoops, I shouldn't have closed that. All right, let's open up localhost. All right, that's not running, so let's get this running. Sounds good, Vuffy. Run dev. Great. There we go, that feels better. Hit that with the old reload. There we go. Ah, beautiful. So let's do foobar baz. No, let's do Dylan.Mulroy plus I don't know, what is the date today? 10/16/24 at gmail.com. Foobar. No. Why am I not getting... That should not be a 200. Let's go fix that. Our error state is borked. So let's start with, yeah, we want this. And let's check the server. What's the difference between error and fail again? What do we want to put here? I don't even care. All right, so that's what that does. So I think we want fail. I'm doing a little Costa. I'm a little sleepy. I was up till 2 a.m. writing an RFC for a new service at work, because I want to start building it. Let's see. Let's go to the Svelte docs. And I want to look for form actions. Here we go. I don't even know how this was working. All right, let's see here. This looks like it's mostly going to be UI stuff. We probably want the docs for Superform. And let's come in here to error handling. I don't even know if we're using Superform for this one. Let's check. Page this might just be still a normal. Yeah, it is still just a normal form. Which means, should we refactor this to use Superform? Probably to be consistent. All right, client validation. We're gonna go ahead and copy. I just want a getting started guide. That's super easy. So you want an empty form, just pass the adapter as in the example above. I'm using PNPM, let's just say that, and we're using, oh dude, we could use archetype. It's kind of nice. Okay, yeah. All right, so let's go over here to page server, and do we have a load function? We do not. And let's make our schema quick. And we're gonna just say const schema is equal to z dot object. And that's going to have a email, which will be a z dot string dot email. Do they have that in Zod? I swear they have. I swear Zod has that, right? Zod email. Yeah, see? That's what I freaking thought. So what's it? Z coerce string. It doesn't even need to be coerce, right? It can just be z.string. There it is. And then we have password. And that will be z.string. Do I not do validation anywhere here? Or length validation? Or do I put that on the input? Oh, right, we're on sign up. not login. I'm in the wrong file. Dumb. So we are using super validated already. Yeah, look at this. What is coerce in Zod? Coerce is like, let's say you have an text input and somebody puts a number, or maybe you have a number input, but you want to store it as a number in your database. You can say like z.coerce number, and it will try to coerce a number into a string. Basically, it just tries to do type coercion. All right, so what are we doing wrong here? We have our errors. Am I on the right page? Am I dumb? Am I not awake yet? I am. I'm being dumb. All right, we'll come back to that in a second. So that foo bar, what's the length have to be? Password has to be foo bar. Great. That should work. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's nuke my session and refresh. And now let's sign in. Plus foobar@gmail. And then let's look here. This should be, I'm gonna intentionally do this wrong. What's interesting, I just noticed, is that Keycaster doesn't capture my keystrokes if I'm in a password input. Is R10 project bucket? Yeah, yep, it is. I switched over to using like the official name because we're pretty much done, like the core feature set. We have like things like notification and activity feed to do, but we're about there. All right, so we got a 200 here. We got this. So our sign up form is borked. We were going down the right path. Or login, excuse me. So let's come in here. I did not. I don't think. Did I? Maybe I did. I have no idea. No, I'm still in Sonoma. All right, so let's go ahead and bring this back open. We're gonna bring in sign up. And we're just gonna copy this basically. In fact, let's just open the page.server here. And we're gonna yoink you. And yoink you. And come over here. We're gonna go to the server. And we're gonna paste that in up here. And yeah, we're gonna wanna bring in you. Oh yeah, we're gonna be doing front end for a couple days here. In fact, most of the rest of this project is gonna be, well, I guess we're doing like a mix of front end. We're doing back end for front end. All right. We don't need this refinement now. Actually, we can. No, we don't. Get rid of that. And we can get rid of this refine. Whoops. And we don't need, actually we don't need any of this because we get those. Yeah. That looks good there. And then we're doing, we don't need to do this validation anymore because we'll do this. We'll come over here and we can replace, oh, we need remember me. And this will be z.boolean. And we'll say default is false. And then we'll yoink this, come over here, put this in here. And this will be event.request. I'm sorry, disgruntled. We'll, I got some ideas. I got some fun ideas to work on once we get this MVP out the door. And really, like I said, we have just styling and like notifications and like activity feeds really yet to add to this, which are like fairly minimal features. So I'm hoping, well, really, I plan on having this done by the end of this week. I won't be streaming next week because I'll be in San Francisco, working from the Vercel headquarters and out there for NextConf. But when we get back, we're going to start some new stuff. Okay, we can get rid of this and that. Thank you for the follows, by the way, Val, HTTR, and EUDCX. Appreciate y'all if you're still around. So down here we can come here and we can do form dot data dot email. Yeah, that looks good. Form dot data dot password. I think I have to use the set error API possibly. What does this do under the covers? What was the function we were just looking for? Kit fail. Is there a default export in here? I'm assuming this is kit fail. Fail as kit fail. So it just returns a action failure. So that doesn't cause it to throw. Can I give it a message? All right, let's go back to the docs. I think I just need to use the set errors API. Most errors will be automatically set when the data is validated, but you may want to add errors after determining that the data is valid. This is usually done with the set error helper function. Set error returns a fail 400 form, so it can be returned immediately. If you're using nested data, okay. All right, so it looks like we want to do just return set error, right? That's what the doc said. Yeah, they return set error. So let's come in here and rather than fail, this will be set error. And it doesn't need this will be form. And this will be click to there, find that, X that. Yeah. Okay. If form.data.remember me. All right, that looks like that should work. We also, I think we don't want to return back out the password, do we? Or do we? Okay, I think that's probably good. So let's come back to localhost. Let's put this like up here. And let's come here and we're gonna do the same thing. Dylan.mulroy plus foobar at gmail.com. Foobaz. Do that. Oh, right, we didn't wire up the client side. I'm dumb. I love this song. Longer nights. When I get along, I go. We want, how did we get in there? We want sign up, and then we want the page, which that doesn't look anything. We'll do the same thing here. Paste that in. In fact, this is going to just be const. And we'll do the same thing. Form equals data.form. And then we'll go to the login card. I know, I'm so pumped. Although I'm gonna be up in the mountains of Pennsylvania with really shitty service. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough internet connection to watch the race until like Sunday night. Including like qualifying and all that. Like I'm gonna miss the entire weekend. All right, we're gonna come in here then, and what are we doing layout? Yeah, nothing crazy. Page.svelte. We're gonna yoink this, and we're gonna come in here and do this. That's going to be login. Oh, we named that wrong. Login up schema. As I'm going into detail about how you just happy and go. I don't think that's how that's supposed to work. Right there, login schema. Come on, LSP. Hoping Ferrari doesn't start another poor streak. Yeah, I'm excited to see how Leon does as well. Jesus. Man, I will say that the Svelte kit language server is super slow. That's one thing that needs fixed. Like, bad. All right, then we come down to input, and we're gonna do Scott name required. We're gonna copy these and come over here, and we're gonna do that. And this is going to be, instead of this is going to be errors dot email. That seems reasonable. And we'll grab this same styling here. and that goes here. This will be email. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this guy. And this will be, instead of this will be password. And then we'll go up there, yoink that, and we're gonna go 15 down, put that there. I wonder if I can add, it can take props. I think Liam will do great. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I really I'm excited he got a seat. I'm excited for next year. Like, all the young talent on the grid, that's actually good young talent. Like, next year is going to be a lot of fun, I think, to watch. I don't know if I can... I don't think this is going to work. I think we just need that. Why did I do that? I don't know why I did that. Maybe we copied that for password. I'm curious to see how McLaren will perform after the regulation change. Yeah, me too. I really want Colapinto to get a seat. Performance is actually so funny because it is very quickly left out to dry. What up, Kraut? I've already complained about JavaScript tooling this morning, and that was mostly the LSP for Svelte kit, or Svelte being dog water slow. It's just so bad. It's so slow. It's because it's running, the LSP literally uses the TypeScript compiler and Prettier under the covers. It's so slow. It's so slow. They need to switch to you can't really get away from using TS TSC for type checking, but like switching to like biome or something. All right, let's see here. This seems reasonable. Let's do just like a wrong email. We would have both errors here. That's a nice error. In fact, let's see what I feel like this doesn't match the theme super well. Let's take that. And let's hop over to V0. And let's come in here and be like, update the error state to be more consistent with our theme and vibes. Oh. Alright, I need to charge my headphone for tomorrow. I actually might not be streaming for the rest of the week. Maybe tomorrow. I forget what time my flight is tomorrow. But yeah, I won't be streaming Friday for sure. And then all next week I won't be streaming because I'll be in San Francisco. Render the form in an error state. In my editor on the screen. Or in the browser or over here? It is Mono Lisa. Don't love that. I do kind of like the ring effect where it's got like the green focus, but I really don't. Let's still use a red color for errors. Geist Mono. I'm okay with Geist. I prefer Mona Lisa though. I'm like a sucker for this font. I love this font so much. Yeah, I did switch over to Arc. I'm quite happy with it. All right, so what we can actually start updating this. We want alert circle. All right. Ooh, I like that it highlighted in red. So let's look at the code here. Where do we want to put this? I don't even care. You can come over here. All right, I want to see how they did this with the input because it's coming from shadcn. So we should be able to emulate most of this super easy. Okay. Just border. That's a good idea. Yeah, we should copy that. That's a good idea. I just hope for some real racing after 2026. Kind of boring when any cars. I don't know. I feel like the past couple races have been really, really good. I've been pretty happy with the racing the past, I don't know, like 5 to 8 races. Okay, so let's start with this form. And let's come in here and did they use a special red, or is it just going to be red 500? Yeah, it's red 500. Okay. So we'll come in here and we probably want to import CN from our utils. Let's import CN from, and that's going to be $lib/utils. And we're going to come on to our input and we're going to add a, I don't even know where to put this. Here, I guess. Class name. Class is going to be this. We'll do CN. And we'll come in here. And we'll say border red 500. And we'll say, oh my God, where's my $? There it is. Errors. Email. Was that undefined? Does not equal undefined. And then this will be focus ring 500. Focus ring red 500. And we can copy that. Los pollos hermanos. And this will be password. Password. And in our input form, let's get that circle. So let's get some state up here. And we're going to say let show password is going to equal state. Where's my state room? State false. All right. Oh yeah, I definitely won't be streaming tomorrow. I have a very early flight. So this is my last stream for quite a while, chat. Week and a half. I'll be back Let's see here. I'll be back on the 28th. Let me see if ShadCN has a, let's see here, Svelte, Shad. What up, Nuts? I owe you a message. I haven't forgotten. It's written down in my to-do list. I just have been hella busy. What am I looking for? Components, button, or no, input. I want to see if I can put a button inside my input. I can't. Okay, that's fine. We'll copy the styles from V0. See if we can get this right. And this is going to be button. Fucking damn it. And we'll just put in here show password. In fact, this will be if show password. Come in here, and this will be clean. That's so mean, Mr. Clean. MC. This is the weirdest formatting. I'm not sure if Dave Sancho is listening, but we're doing so much Tailwind just for you today. What is this formatting? This is like literally the most I don't even have words for how bad this formatting is. Oh my god. Prettier RC. Do I have format as a command in here? How's that lint? That is literally not lint. Oh, man. You know what? Does Deno 2 support Svelte? Can it format Svelte? Or even if biome Svelte. Yeah, they still don't have Svelte. Oh, they do. What are the caveats? For only the script tags portion of the file. Is that for linting or formatting? Maybe we can switch over to biome. I might try that after we get these two done. Shouldn't that have gone? Bracket same line. Isn't bracket same line what we want? Prettier bracket same line. Oh, we do definitely want that to be false. I'm just using Bun for dev and package management. I started out with Bun, so it's not like it I still don't know if I would start with Bun or Deno 2 now. I don't know where I land yet on the two of those. Like, this is so stupid. Whatever. That'll be another time problem. I don't care. I don't feel like dealing with JavaScript tooling. I'm not getting nerd sniped into JavaScript tooling. We can live with it. And then we want to have a on click. And this will be a function that just show password equals the opposite of whatever. Oh, that's, I need to put this in a function body. Show password equals whatever not show password is. Right, that needs to be equal. All right, let's see if we got that working. Probably not. Yeah, we need to, this needs to be a variant on here. Variant is gonna be ghost. Really? Did that not do what I, oh, did this, we're not running, that's why. Thank you for the follows. It's a dark thing. Appreciate you. And ZXX and Bartek Pack. Appreciate y'all. I don't hear. It's so hard to hear the new follower noise in my headphones. Like, I don't, are you guys hearing the functions describe the world thing? Nope, okay. That's kind of what I thought. All right, I do want to fix this before we keep going. So the URL for this is, what's going to be? EYJHB, EYJHB. Overlay. That doesn't look right. Dashboard. Ah, hold on.
The world.
All right, chat. I'm gonna pause the music quick. and we're gonna nail down this noise here. I want to look at, we're gonna emulate a follower.
Functions describe the world.
I need to mute this tab. How do I do that in Arc? I know how to do that in Chrome. Let's see here. How, the volume wise, how is that?
Functions describe the world.
Because that's really quiet in my headphones. There we go. Mute audio and editor.
Functions describe
It's
the
pretty quiet,
world.
right? For you guys? Perfect here? Damn. I need like I don't think I can, I would need like audio mixing or like a, because this is the volume for you guys. I can't update the monitor volume because I'm pretty sure this is the volume for you guys. Yeah, this is the volume for you guys. All right, that's fine. It's more important for you guys than me. That's smart, Kraut. That's why we keep you around, Kraut. That's why we keep you around. We'll do a browser source. And we'll say stream elements monitor. Okay. And close out of that. I'm gonna move that down here. And we're gonna come in here, properties, yoink you. And we're gonna come onto here. And we can just send you to the back. This doesn't even need to be visible. We'll do that in a second. Let's get the, you can just do by 0 by 0. 0, 0. Okay. Sick. One. And we can just send it to the back, right? Set opacity 0. Crowd is so smart, chat. What a buddy. All right, so I have that. And then we want to edit this. All right, I'm going to pause the music again. And we're going to come in here and monitor only. And this isn't going to record to any tracks. And we're going to bump this. This is going to be monitor off. And now let's... Did you guys hear anything? I didn't hear anything.
Functions describe
All right,
the
I heard
world.
that. I should be able to bump this up. Oh goodness, bud! You just knocked my keyboard.
Buddy!
Good morning. Yes. You know he got sick in the middle of the night?
No.
Yeah, I had to take him out.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's fine.
Did he throw up or like?
No, just had a tummy ache.
Just had to go potty?
Yeah.
Oh, Bodhi, you had a tummy ache. Oh. He's like, my tummy's fine now though. You can feed me breakfast. Look at this.
Yeah, I see him. He's a madman.
Before breakfast? Always.
Properties, and then...
Did you see Gus is here?
Yeah. Filters, I need to like boost it. Why can't I turn the volume up?
Are you ready for breakfast? You want to go get your breakfast?
Which direction do I take it? Bodhi, come on, get down, bud. God damn it.
Come on, buddy. Let's go get breakfast. Let's get breakfast.
Freaking boats. Something like that. Nope. Alright, 1 second. Which direction do I want to take it? Higher dBs probably means louder, right? Let me do follower, right?
Functions describe the world.
I'm gonna try one. Go to advanced audio properties, and let's just make this like 20 and see if that does anything. Probably fine.
Functions describe the world.
That sounds so much better in my headphones. I assume it sounds the same for you guys.
The gospel of the camel. I speak the gospel of the dunes. The sand is in my veins. Come ride a camel with me today.
I love it. I love it. I miss that guy. All right, let me get my keyboard fixed. Let me shut my office door. Oh, Bodhi. Bodhi. And let me hear how it sounds now.
Functions describe the world.
There we go. That's so much better. Kraut, you're a genius. You can clip that. Is it louder for you guys now? Because that shouldn't be going through to you guys on my side. Same volume? Great. Okay. Let's get out of this garbage. One nerd snipe this morning is appropriate. All right, let's get this thing into the input. And we're gonna go to, where's V0? Let's move this back up to here. And they use absolute positioning. So where is I? Wow, God, Bodhi really fucked me up here. All right. Inside the button, we're gonna have class, and this is going to equal absolute. Doesn't need to be inside a relative. It does. I don't have my the LSP for Tailwind is not working right now. We're using SvelteKit, and then we have a async job processor that runs in a separate process or server. No, there's a, yeah. We've got a async job processor, which we worked a lot on, and then just some backend for front end stuff with SvelteKit. Here. Let's see here. Let's jump over to our preview of localhost. We've lost our eyeball. So absolute. Can we make this relative? We want to go top. So what is it? Too far. Yeah, it is a client project. Yep. Nice. Check that out, chat. I don't know if I like the button. Although that's kind of nice. That kind of looks good, doesn't it? How did they do it? How did the AI design this? Do we like the button where it's like the background or transparent background? What do we think? I kind of like the fill. I think I'm gonna keep it. I like that. I think that looks good. Although there's now this like awkward block here from I think this. Actually, where is that coming from? It's because it's still accounting for that being in the flow. And then we're gonna make this div yeah. So I did have this wrong. Almost. That's a better starting point though. Inset y0. I didn't know people still use filter. I know it. I felt weird reaching for it. So let's make this like 2, 10. Five, 6. Perfect. Ship it. What? There we go. Although it's kind of looks a little weird. Padding right 3. We should probably make this. I guess we could do PL3 too. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. Nailed it. Nailed it, chat. That's sick. I like that. Yeah, you're right. Great. Okay, so we have that. We have the errors. Let's just say, I don't know. foo@gmail.com. Oh yeah, we wanted to do, I wanted to add this. Let's go to our CSS file, and I want to do, start input in here. We'll come in here, and we're going to do, no, backseat coding is totally allowed on this stream. I welcome it. I might push back, but I'm not going to be a dick about it. I do normally, but I haven't for this one yet because I've been mostly focused on just learning stuff and shipping stuff. But there, I'll probably end up writing end-to-end tests with Playwright at some point. So let's come down here and we're going to add input, and we're going to say, we're going to apply some styles to our inputs. We're going to say @apply, and we're going to say border. We want focus. Oops. Focus. Border. Was it theme? No. Brand green. Yeah. And we want focus ring brand green. And we can get rid of these. And now we should have, oh, what is that black outline yet? I need to focus it. Focus. Active. Focus visible. All right. What is that adding? So we can go update our ring, right? Ring. And we can set this equal to, let's move this up. I don't know if I need to do that, but we'll do that. And we'll say this is going to be var, and it'll be brand green. And then we can get rid of probably this one, right? Let's just see where that gets us for a second. Yeah, it looks so much better. Nice. Check that out. It looks so good. I dig it. All right, let's do, we want to come over here now and do the same thing for this form. We're basically just going to copy the password component. So let's come in here and make that smaller, and this will be login, and we want to come over here. So lucky ass bitch. That's a lucky ass bitch. Damn, that's a lucky ass bitch. Oh, Rashid, I missed your message. Sorry. And what up, Colina? Colina H. Scopy? Yeah, Kraut nailed it. I use ChatGPT because I get it for free. We have an enterprise license at work. I thought that was an LLM response. I figured that's what that was, Kraut. I was gonna call you out, but I was like, nah, I'll let it go. That's a lucky ass bitch. All right, that should be pretty close to being the same now. In my revolver. Yeah, I know. Doesn't it look like React now? Like, this feels like React, doesn't it? Mmm. I didn't like Svelte before Svelte 5, I'll be honest. But now that it feels more like React, I like it. I honestly thought you were doing some React when I first joined the stream, right? It's really nice. Boom. So how do we fix this? We need to, that's on mobile number. Focus ring.
Functions describe the world.
Thank you for the follow, Coleman. What is ring ring? If we come in here, what is ring? Ring. How do I set that? Can I update the ring ring color? I know how to fix this. Check this out. This is going to be hysterical, and this is going to work. And it's actually one of the more performant ways to do this. We'll do errors.phone number does not equal undefined, and then we'll do var dash dash. Actually, we don't. We do. What is red 500? There has to be a CSS variable for red 500 at some point. What is that color? Just give me a hex. I don't even care right now. TW ring color. Well, let's try that quick because it seems to say that TW ring color. Otherwise, it's going to be a var. And this will be brand green. What are you talking about? Oh, it just has to be one flat out string. Okay, that's annoying. So to change that, we'll delete that, and this will be all right.
Functions
I
describe
did develop an API.
the world.
Part of this is an API. Without any experience in Svelte professionally, I feel like it's pretty safe to add it to my portfolio. Yeah, honestly, it feels a lot like there's definitely some things that are way different, but not that different. Ah, damn, that didn't actually work. I thought I could do that. What happens if I, let's just say this is going to be, say red. God damn, I lost my state. That's annoying. So that still doesn't work. All right, so that didn't work at all. Let's go to the Tailwind docs. I need to update the ring color. Ring. Focus visible ring. I don't understand what ring ring is. It doesn't seem like ring ring is in the docs. Yeah, I think it is coming from Shad CN. It's a color. I think. Because, like, if you did ring, ring, this isn't overriding. So that goes into input, right? So let's look in here. Input comes in here. We get class name. It should, you'll see ring, ring in here. Focus visible, ring, ring. Well, so we'll update that. That should be what we have to do. Focus visible. Probably want to add that. Is that everything? Yeah, that's the... Goat. Ring, ring. Okay. Let's go add this then to, oh, shit. Oh, so annoying. I should totally just build this into the freaking input, but whatever. In fact, we could. Aria invalid. I have an idea where this is going to be way easier, and I should have done this in the first place. Where's it go? Let invalid equals, I mean, this can even just be, can I mix and match APIs here? We'll just say invalid. This will be aria I'll just say this is gonna be props, right? We can change around that. This will be bang bang props. Aria invalid. And we'll just rename this as invalid, right? Morning, wizard. No, it's not, but we're gonna fix that in a second. We're gonna come in here and we're going to add an object. And the object is going to have exactly what we had in the last file, which it'll be oh, this is so annoying. We'll just use the old API, I guess. Export let invalid bang bang props, and then aria invalid equals false, I guess. Or what do we pass? We'll come in here and we'll make this border border red 500 is going to be invalid, and then we'll have focus ring red 500. This will be in a string, and this will be invalid, and then we'll have focus visible ring red 500. That needs a comma. Where's our errors? Invalid. And theoretically, that should work. All right, let's see if we can get that to work on our sign up. No, why didn't it work? Do I have to recompile? And let me make, that's in the login card. We're in the login card. I was so confident that this will work. I just have to get it correct at, I don't know, foobar.com. Okay, so let's remove the class name from this. Okay, so the ring focus visible ring red 500 doesn't appear to be working. And why is that? Ring, there it is. Why are we still getting ring? Did I type it wrong? LOL. This is a string. Booleanish. Booleanish. I love a good Booleanish value. Actually, we're just gonna do this easier.
Functions describe the world.
And this should be state, right? Something like this. Cannot use rest props in runes mode. Damn it. This won't be reactive by default, will it? I don't think this will be reactive. Get wrecked. I don't know old Svelte syntax to the point where I'm just gonna have to do this. No, why do you hate me? We're gonna restart. Is the double colon... Where do I have a double colon? There's not a double colon here. And we removed it from this file. It shouldn't matter because we're not on that component, even if I do. I guess this needs to be aria. How do I get aria invalid off of this? So this becomes true. Why does it end up not applying these though? See, that's what we want. It's like the prop isn't working correctly. I think this is only gonna log once. Well, we got the styles right. I don't understand Svelte 4. You read. Invalid is not defined. Interesting. So it never logs that. Whoops, I deleted that, right? Console.log, invalid, false. And that should actually be true if we look at this. Aria invalid is true. Oh. I have to do this thing. How do I do this? I don't understand how Svelte 4 works. All right, it's time for ChatGPT to help us. Fix this code to properly configure the Aria invalid prop. That's not right. No. It should be the value. Invalid should be the value of Aria invalid. I saw the $ console log. That doesn't fix it though. We'll try that though to fix the logging. What the fuck? See, that's like not coming off correctly. Despite the prop actually being Aria invalid is true. Is that really the problem? I'm gonna lose my mind if that's the problem. Oh my god. Do we just set it to invalid? Is that what we want to do? But that doesn't help because it's like not the real prop. Right? Like this is going to be undefined now. I need to like export it as aria invalid. Write a input wrapper where the prop is aria invalid, but we get the value of that prop and log it in the wrapper input. I have an idea. Yeah, I'll try that in a minute. Damn it, I thought that would work. Okay, we'll just do this. Props. And then we go back over here and we say all right, so this is what we're suggesting, right? Yep. Okay. It's really annoying that I just can't get aria invalid off of there. Like, that drives me insane. Yes, if you want to hook it up to the aria and do it with aria invalid equals invalid. What do you mean by that? Like, I really just want to use this damn value. The fuck? So annoying. Click, click, click. Like, can I do... Like, is this valid syntax? No. And we can't just put this in strings. Oh, we can do that. Hodl chat. Where am I using it as a value? I'm not using it as a value anywhere. I'm literally not. Guess what? You're gonna get the old @TS expect error. What is... Can I ignore this? What is this error coming from? I'm about to just ignore this. And filter it out. So then invalid is going to be... Oh my god. Oh, we're so close to getting this. I'm not using it. And then my motherfucking click. Interesting. So that's still, well, yeah, that would be expected that that got set correctly. So let's come down here and say our $ console.log invalid. Womp, 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 womp. Invalid's undefined. So this doesn't work. This still doesn't work. Okay, we're gonna just do this the easy way. I've decided. I'm over this. This is stupid. How did I delete that?
Functions describe the world.
Hold on. Thank you for the follow, Rich Tech Guy. Where do we... Do they cover REST props in here? So can I just say... I like Svelte 5, where this is still Svelte 4, what we're looking at here, and it's annoying.
Functions describe the world.
Nice. Nailed it. Very good. Aria invalid is not defined. Oh, that would make sense. God damn it. Figured it out, chat. Should have just read more of the docs. Oh, good fun. What are you upset about? That's literally what it was before. Oh, this should be undefined, huh? That should fix it. Yeah. Okay, well that is the fix. Now that works. Now we know. That was frustrating to figure out. Morning, Allison. The fix, I'll show you in just a... okay, yeah, I'll... Right here. You can get at the props this way. I didn't know that because that's not how Svelte 5 does it, and we've been using Svelte 5. In retrospect, very obvious. All right, you know what we need after that win? That battle. I know exactly what we needed. There we go. Really brings down... In centimeters? I have no idea what I am in centimeters. I'm a metric challenged American. I'm 5'10". All right, well, that should be good now. And then the error message we want to add is we want to come and I want to do one more thing. I want to grab the alert circle. This boy. Too high is I'm not bald, to be clear. I have a lot of hair. I just wear a hat because I wake up and I start streaming and my hair is fucking crazy. Let's put this in here and see how that looks, because we should have that error.
Functions describe the world.
Thank you for the follow, VR. Appreciate you hanging out. All right, so that's not quite right. We can fix this by going here and we'll say flex row. Oh, I hate that that nuked my state. Say 2 and 2. God, this is so painful. Whoops, not justified center. Items, center. Gap, 2. I really need this to be smaller. Four pixels. This doesn't feel like it's working. Can I just set the size on this? I think I can just set the size. Oh, class name. What is... I'm an idiot. It's just class. This isn't React.
Functions describe the world.
Thank you for the follow, Dino. Appreciate you. Okay. So we want to basically copy this now and put this in our errors. In fact, we can make a, we can come here and we'll go to lib components and we'll add, we'll come in here and, we'll just put it here. Input error dot svelte. We'll come in here and we'll paste that. And let's add our script. Yep. And then we're going to get what our props will be whoops. What is the type of this thing? String or undefined? we'll get type props is going to equal errors, which will be string or undefined. And then we'll get let const errors is props equals props. This can actually be oh my god. That might have worked. Probably. And then in here we'll say array dot isArray errors. Then we'll come down here and we can we'll just do actually this should be fine. We can just do errors, I think. And then we can go back to our component. And over here, rather than doing this, we could do something like, what do we call this thing over here? Input error. Input error, and errors will equal this. Yoink you, come over here. I gotta wrap up in a minute, but we're real close to, I just wanna see if this works. And here we'll just do undefined. In fact, I don't even need this, huh? And then I can get rid of this. And what are we on, the login card? Let's see if that works. That should be that's a problem. That should say login there. But foo@bar.com. Yeah, that works. We need to add some padding. But otherwise it looks pretty good. And now we'll have this same thing across all of this. All right, I gotta wrap up chat. We're gonna raid TJ. He's looking at Deno 2. He might even be interviewing the Deno folks. Yeah, they're gonna be interviewing him. Sweet. Let's go ahead and raid Tej. We're unable to raid Tej at this time? What? Why? That's like really weird, right? That was weird. Good job, Twitch. All right, chat. We will be back. Actually, we will not be back tomorrow morning. I'll be back in a week and a half after next conf is over because I'll be in San Francisco and I'll be in Pennsylvania starting tomorrow. Have a lovely week and a half, and we'll see you soon.